Hey, can I ask you something? What do you do in the morning? Really? Think about it. You wake up. You go to the bathroom, you make coffee, you check your phone. Maybe you look at your dog. And your dog looks at you. Nobody moves for 5 minutes. That is a normal morning. But here is my question. Do you do all of this in English? If not, today everything changes. Welcome to Talk and Learn English. I'm Emma. Today you will follow my morning routine in English, from waking up to leaving the house. Step by step. Simple English, real English, no textbook English, just daily life. By the end, you will learn more than 20 useful expressions. So let's start. It is 6:45 in the morning. My alarm goes off. We say, the alarm goes off, not rings. My alarm goes off. I hit snooze. That means I press the button for 9 more minutes. The alarm goes off again. This time I wake up. We say wake up. My eyes open and my brain starts working, but I stay in bed for a moment. I just lie there. We say I lie in bed, then I get up. Get up means I leave the bed. So the alarm goes off, I hit snooze, I wake up and I lie in bed, then I get up. Simple steps. Every morning. Let me tell you something funny. One day I had an important meeting. Very important. I set 3 alarms, 6 o'clock, 6:15, 6:30. Perfect plan. But I turned them off in my sleep. All of them. I woke up at 8:45. The meeting was at 9 o'clock. I ran out of the house. One shoe was not fully on. My colleague asked, "Are you okay?" I said, "Yes, everything is fine." It was not fine. Now I use 4 alarms, and I put my phone far away, so I must get up. I go to the bathroom. We say go to the bathroom. I wash my face. Cold water wakes me up. I brush my teeth, and we say brush my teeth. Then I take a shower. We say take a shower. I stay in the shower for 8 minutes. Warm water. Quiet time. I think about my day. The shower is my thinking place. Then I get out of the shower. I dry off. We say dry off with a towel, and then I get dressed. I look at my wardrobe, and I think, I have nothing to wear. But I have many clothes. In the morning, everything feels wrong. Then I choose clothes. We say put on my clothes, put on my shirt, put on my shoes, and put on my jacket. Then I look in the mirror, and I say, okay, let's go. Let's review quickly. Alarm goes off. Hit snooze, wake up, get up, lying in bed, go to the bathroom, wash my face, brush my teeth, take a shower, get dressed, put on clothes, simple English, daily English. I go to the kitchen, I make breakfast. We say make breakfast. Sometimes I eat toast, sometimes I eat a banana, sometimes I make eggs. While eating, I check my phone. We say check my phone. I try not to do it too much, but I still do it. I'm working on it. One morning I tried no phone. For 1 hour, and it was very peaceful, and also very boring. I lasted 40 minutes. I love coffee. Every morning I make coffee. I take a sip. We say take a sip. One small drink. Perfect moment. One day I made coffee. I sat down, but I forgot it in the kitchen. I was confused. Something was missing. My coffee was alone in the kitchen. I had spaced out. We say space out. That means you forget things because you are not focused. I have a dog. Her name is Biscuit. Every morning she follows me. She watches everything I do. She looks at me like, walk time? We say, take the dog for a walk. We go around the block. That means around the street near my house. Then I pack my bag. We say pack my bag, but I always forget something. Every day. We say it slipped my mind. That means I forgot. I put on my jacket. I put on my shoes. I open the door. I stop. Did I lock the door? I check. Yes, it is locked. I step outside. We say, step outside. I breathe in the morning air. We say, breathe in. I look at the sky. Maybe it is cloudy. I decide, I'll risk it. That means I accept the chance. Then I walk out. The alarm goes off. I hit snooze. I wake up. I get up. I lie in bed. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get dressed. I put on clothes. I make breakfast. I check my phone. I take a sip. I space out. I pack my bag. It slipped my mind. I step outside. I breathe in. I'll risk it. English is not only study. English is life. You can use it in your morning, in your habits, in your daily routine. You don't need perfect English. You need practice. Small practice every day. Your morning is your classroom. Use it, speak it, live it. Today, we learned real morning English. We followed a full routine. We learned more than 20 expressions. Now your challenge is simple. Tomorrow morning, use 5 expressions. Just 5. That's it. Then write in the comments, "I did it." If this helped you, like the video, subscribe to Talk and Learn English, and share it with a friend. I'm Emma. See you next time. And remember, your morning is your English lesson.